Hi, I'm Beck Sparky, and I'm here today to talk to you about caring for and maintaining your electrical accessories. Cleaning and maintenance is an essential part of being a homeowner. As with roofs and gutters, your home electrical is something that needs to be checked. Unfortunately, it's often overlooked. Care of your switches and power points is really simple. You just wipe them down with a damp cloth to remove any marks or fingerprints. Chemical cleaners should never be used on these products, and don't ever spray water directly onto them. If you notice any damage to the switch or outlet, have an electrician replace it for you. Ceiling fans, lampshades, and even your light globes are items which can collect dust and become inefficient as a result. Make sure you look out for them during your spring clean. And when cleaning higher items, always remember your ladder safety. If you'd like any more information on maintaining your electrical products, just head to our website.